Hello friends, welcome to Unify Study channel. Today we will know about the important facts or events related to 5th August. Let's start. In the year of 1662, on this day, Scottish historian James Anderson was born. In the year of 1781, on this day, a battle took place between the Dutch and the British armies in the Dogger Bank. In the year of 1874, on this day, Japan introduced postal savings system on the lines of England. In the year of 1914, on this day the first electric traffic light was installed in America. In the year of 1914, on this day Cuba, Uruguay, Mexico and Argentina declared neutrality in World War I. In the year of 1915, on this day Warsaw was occupied by Germany in the First World War. Earlier this area was under the control of Russia. In the year of 1915, on this day famous poet Simangal Singh Suman was born. In the year of 1923, on this day, Henry Sullivan became the first American swimmer to cross the English Channel. In the year of 1930, on this day, Neil Armstrong, the world's first astronaut to walk on the moon, was born. In the year of 1944, on this day, Polish rebels free 348 Jewish prisoners and liberate a German labor camp in Warsaw. In the year of 1949, on this day, an earthquake measuring 6.7 in Ecuador's capital Quito killed 6,000 people. In the year of 1950, on this day, India's famous freedom fighter and the first Chief Minister of Assam, Gopinath Bordoloi, passed away. In the year of 1960, on this day, the African country Burkina Faso declared independence. In the year of 1963, on this day, Russia, Britain, and the United States signed a nuclear test prohibition treaty in Moscow. In the year of 1991, on this day, Justice Leela Seth became the first woman judge in the Delhi High Court. She was also the first lady lawyer to be designated as a senior counsel by the Supreme Court of India. In the year of 2000, on this day, Lala Amarnath, the great and famous cricketer of India, passed away. In the year of 2010, on this day, 70% of Kenya's citizens supported the creation of a new constitution as part of democratic reforms in a referendum. In the year of 2011, on this day, NASA scientists claimed water on Mars in the journal Science. In the year of 2011, on this day, Juno, a space probe, was launched by NASA to study Jupiter. In the year of 2014, on this day, Pran Kumar Sharma, the famous cartoonist who created the cartoon character Chacha Chaudhary, passed away. In the year of 2018, on this day, Mughal Sarai Junction in Uttar Pradesh was renamed as Deen Dayal Upadhyay Railway Station. In the year of 2020, on this day, the Centre informed the Supreme Court that it has accepted the recommendation of the Bihar government for a CBI inquiry into the death of actor Sushant Singh Rajput. This was shared by Solicitor General Tushar Mehta appearing for the centre. In the year of 2020, on this day, former Chief of Staff of the Guyana Defence Force, Brigadier Mark Anthony Phillips, was sworn in as the Prime Minister of Guyana. In the year of 2020, on this day, the E-Gyan Mitra mobile app was launched by the Union Territory of Dadra Nagar Haveli and Daman Diu. E-Gyan Mitra mobile app was launched to provide online education. That's all. Thanks for watching and support.